Hello students, welcome to Sharaf Science classes. Today I'll be talking about coordination chemistry. Let's start with the following question. From these options below, we have to choose the correct option for the carbonyl fluoride with respect to bond angle and then bond length. So this part represents the bond angle and this part represents the bond length. So starting with carbonyl fluoride, we have carbonyl fluoride which looks like this with fluorine atoms here. Now we know that fluorine atom has electrons on it, so these are in lone pairs. So delocalization of the lone pair occurs and this bond comes over oxygen. So what we get is C double bond F and then F here with a single bond O with a negative charge here and a positive charge here. So now we know that fluorine is a very electronegative atom, and actually it is more electronegative. Electronegativity of fluorine is higher than that of oxygen. So basically this structure is not stable at all. So mostly carbonyl fluoride will exist in this structure. Now, so in this structure what we have is that CO bond is a double bond, whereas CF bond is a single bond, and the characteristic structure of carbonyl fluoride has a more double bond character in the CO bond, whereas the CF bond has a more single bond character. So effectively we get that the CF bond length is greater than the CO bond length, because CO is of a more double bond character than CF. So what we have is that the bond angle between C double bond O, C single bond F and single bond F is here. There is much more repulsion due to the presence of a double bond here. The repulsion between this bond and this bond is high, and the repulsion between this bond is comparatively low. So the C double bond O F angle will be greater than the C single bond F angle. So coming to the options here, we have the FCF bond angle lesser than C double bond OF bond angle, and CF bond length greater than CO bond length. So this will be our option. So the option will be C, hence answer is C. Thank you.